Found a DKB file from the early days of computer graphics? This is a scene description file from a pioneering ray tracing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these DKBTrace scene files contain and how to render them today. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading DKB file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. DKB files are scene description files, created for DKBTrace, the early ray tracing renderer that eventually evolved into POV-Ray. They contain 3D scene definitions with geometric object primitives, light source placements, camera configurations, surface textures, and color properties, described in a text-based scene description language for photorealistic rendering. DKBTrace. DKB scene files use a text-based scene description language defining geometric primitives including spheres, planes, boxes, cylinders, and CSG boolean operations. The format specifies surface properties with color, ambient, diffuse, and specular coefficients, along with light source positions and camera viewpoint parameters. For reliable opening POV-Ray by persistence of vision ray tracer, PowerLimited offers the best solution for DKB. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows offers restricted visibility into model features, so full review requires appropriate CAD programs. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your DKB file and select Open With. If POV-Ray is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. If the DKB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. General troubleshooting won't work on this DKB file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening in POV-Ray. Open the DKB file in POV-Ray, the successor to DKBTrace, which maintains backward compatibility with the DKB scene format. Download POV-Ray from POV-Ray.org and open the DKB file in the editor. Click Run to render the scene. POV-Ray processes the scene description and generates a photorealistic ray-traced image output. Next, reading scene descriptions. Open the DKB file in any text editor to read the scene description language directly. The readable format describes all 3D objects, their position sizes, surface properties, and lighting. Understanding the scene structure helps you visualize the intended output and make modifications to object placement and material properties. Finally, modernizing for POV-Ray. Update the DKB scene description to use modern POV-Ray SDL syntax for access to advanced features including radiosity photon mapping, subsurface scattering, and high dynamic range output. While POV-Ray runs DKB files directly converting the syntax to current POV-Ray format, unlocks decades of rendering technology improvements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.